Some prop firms out there are more difficult to get into than others. If what you're looking for is instant funding to get started quickly, then what you want to do is avoid a lengthy evaluation process that's going to slow you up. Instead, what you need is a firm that lets you jump straight into trading. So today we're going to look at 5 firms that let you do exactly that. These are 5 firms with instant funding. Before we get into it, a note to say that this is a brief summary of these firms. If you want a more detailed look into these 5, then read our article on this, which you'll find in the description. But for now, let's look at the 5 prop firms with instant funding. DT4X is our first firm, and is really popular with traders who want to get straight into things without an evaluation. They're based in the UK and allow you instant funding of 50k without any challenge. They offer 3 program choices, Basic, Advanced and Pro, which give you the opportunity to fund up from 10k through to 50k with affordable monthly fees and a 60% profit split on all programs. Yes, this isn't going to be the highest profit split in the market, but with its lack of evaluation, you're going to have to take the hit somewhere. Once you're started with DT4X, there are also opportunities to scale up to $1.24 million. So they might be a great option if you want to get started quickly and build later. Our next firm is MyForex Fund. Like DT4X and the others on the list, they offer programs with no evaluation or challenge. It's worth noting that this is just on their entry-level options. If you want to go more advanced with them, then evaluations do come into play. That being said, there's still plenty of opportunity to get started straight away with them. And with these entry-level options, all the profit targets are simple, and there's no time limit to hit them, which makes them another great option for those wanting to get started straight away. Their accelerated scaling funds range from $324,000 all the way to $1.35 million, and all come with a one-time fee. Unfortunately, these all only have 50% profit share, but like DT4X, there's an expectation that if you're starting quickly, you're not necessarily going to get the best deal in this area. Next, we're looking at Surge Trader, which is an exception to that rule. They have a massive 75% profit share option, but they aren't necessarily as easy to get into as the other firms we've explored. There isn't an initial evaluation, but there is an application you need to go through, which is similar to what other firms would call a challenge. But the rules for this aren't strict, and you're able to do it in your own time and on your terms. There are plenty of options for funding packages, which begin with the starter 25k funding amount and work their way up to master at $1 million. Be aware that their one-time fee is a little pricier than some, with that master package costing you $6,500 to get into. But remember that big 75% profit gain you stand to get back. Just before we look at our last firm, let's review BlueFX. Like DT4X, they're based out of the UK and are really easy to join, completely free of evaluation and challenge. But like the other firms we've looked at that are easy to get started with, the profit share isn't great, only 50%. You get this with their 2 packages, the Light package with 75k funding amount and their Pro package with 150k. For serious trading, these packages aren't going to get you too far, but BlueFX are a great option to start dipping your toe into prop trading. Moving on to our last firm, and this is City Traders Imperium, yet another UK-based prop firm. There's no initial evaluation or assessment with them, which is great, but be aware that there is an initial challenge. You can pass this in your own time, however, so shouldn't be an issue. They offer packages with low funding amounts, so might be a great choice if you're wanting to start small. In fact, their smallest funding starts at only 2.5k. But there is a potential to scale all the way up to $2 million. And you'll need to get to these kinds of levels if you're looking for the 70% profit share they offer. Otherwise, you're looking at their standard 50% instead, which has been the average for all of these companies without evaluation. If you want to start small, then you could do a lot worse than City Traders Imperium. So if you want a prop firm that's going to get you started quickly, then here are 5 great options for you to choose from. For more information, visit our site linked in the description and choose the firm that's going to get you trading without delay. Good luck and thanks for watching.